if I wanted to fix this wave, this crookedness in the hat, and maybe some of these waves in the shirt, I can liquify this, but I have to do it on a solid layer. So there are two things here. I'm going to show you the Liquify tool, but to get there, I need to work on a single layer that has all of this information. And what are we doing? Yeah, that's a nice color. Okay. So I've got a whole bunch of layers here. If I wanted to make a copy of all these and then make a flat layer, like a single layer to work on, I can select all, go to the top layer, which is burn and dodge, go down to background layer, hold down my shift key. Now I've got all three of them, right? And if I drag all of them down to this folder, see this folder right here? Drag them down to this folder. It's going to group those layers in a nice organized folder. And I can leave it group 1, or I can call it main retouching or something like that. Now watch this trick. If I drag the entire folder down to the plus, it's going to duplicate that folder. And if I right click, I can merge that group and make a flat, where is the, now it's out of screen. Can I convert it to a smart object? Yes, convert it to smart object, perfect. There, now I've just converted this entire folder to a smart object. And I can, it's like a flattened layer, so I can apply things to this entire group now. If I go to filter and liquify, oh, I'm working on a very big screen. Let me make this fit for you guys. There we go. So on the top left, it looks like a finger nudging things. So what's going to happen is, if I hold down the mouse key, it's going to nudge things around, right? Which could easily get out of control. Control Z. What I'm going to use this for is to gently nudge this hat back in place. Make the brush smaller and just okay. I'm not trying to make it perfect. I'm just trying to lessen the distortion, diminish the distortion. And I was going to look at what, the shirt? Yep. Sure, it's all sorts of crazy. I'm just pushing and pulling. Let's see, preview. I can uncheck the preview, check it. So see, I straightened some things out. You can go crazy with the face stuff. Like I can make an eye bigger or smaller, but this can get very dangerous. I would suggest you stay away from the face modification stuff until you're really good. All right, I'm going to save that again. Save the PSD. Yep, I'll save the PSD. Yep. And that's the Liquify tool.